it just sits.
It's like it's supposed to go there.
Yeah, it's like gravity is just taking. Welcome back, everyone,
To Ty and Gig
Builds. Today we're gonna make some epoxy coasters.
The table came out so good that we figured, why not make some matching coasters? So that's what we did. So we're gonna show you step by step.
What are we doing today, Gig?
Well, I don't want to alarm anybody, but we're gonna use some tools here. All right, we got a slab here. It's a good size. We're gonna actually end up cutting this in half each way, widthwise and lengthwise, to be able to create 4 coasters with the epoxy in it.
We're doing the epoxy with it.
The epoxy came out so good the first time, we decided to do it again. I'm gonna chisel this off here, this bark. You know, just
a little bit of that.
Little, see? So, you guys, you'll see in the next clip. Builds. You can literally smell the walnut burning. That's the thing about these big pieces of wood. You can smell it burning when you cut.
We resawed the wood. It looks great. There's just a few things that need to clean up, so we'll sand it.
Yeah.
And then after we sand it, we probably should plane it, but eyeball method maybe?
I mean, you guys know my method.
If you want to do this, I would suggest planing it, but we're not going to do that.
It's like almost like if this was long enough, it would be like a half pipe. Mm-hmm. You know?
But it's not long enough.
No.
And it's not a half pipe. Yeah.
Welcome back to Ty and Gig Builds.
We're gonna make the mold. Just need to tape it up. We'll throw them in there, throw the epoxy in there, call it a day.
Nothing crazy. You guys have seen it, you've done it,
Many
you know
times,
it.
yeah.
We're gonna show you how to do it professionally.
Yeah, on Ty and Gig Builds.
Ty and Gig
Builds.
Builds. Builds.
Builds.
Builds.
That's it.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want built. Because as Tyler just said, he just said, we'll build anything.
All right, guys, we're ready for the pour. I got this tabletop epoxy. We're gonna use thin layers at a time. I think maybe 2 or 3 should be good. We chose black for the color. Angeline didn't want to match the river table we did last time, so we have to do black now. It should be a quick, easy pour. Everything should be pretty much in tow here. So just a few layers at a time, wait for it to get sticky, keep going from there. Finished piece looks great. I love it. So now we're gonna take the mold off. Luckily, it's not like the last build where we had to be careful about the wire hanging up the side of the mold. We could just pop these sides off real nice. After that, we just need to cut them into even sections, finish them up. All right, guys, we chopped the wood up. It looks very good. I'm gonna be very happy with these coasters.
Yeah.
I think we just need to really just do some finishing touches now.
Yeah, we're gonna sand these guys down. You know, we'll ultimately end up using Mahoney's on them. We love the Mahoney's. No, but look, if you were to just like...
Yeah, this is what it's all about.
This is ideally what you would want to do with these coasters.
So we gave the coasters a test run and...
Boom. You put it down, you go, builds.
Okay, now that we sanded everything down, we routed it, I'm just gonna use this as a template to make our little stand. I'm just gonna cut the base right at the line, and then I'm gonna use this other scrap piece just as kind of the border around it so it doesn't fall out. We'll do that to the height of all 4 pieces, and I think we're good. Then we'll sand it down as well, put some oil on it, call it done.
Welcome back to Ty and Gig Build Show. Welcome back. All right, guys, that wraps us up here. These coasters came out perfect with the river table. We've got the holder right here, and we've got our beverages.
I tell you what, we really do love the way this came out. I ended up adding some felt pads in the bottom of the holder to prevent scratching the surface of the actual table. We also chamfered the bottom of these edges. It looks really sleek. You can't really see the bottom. It's really sleek. The design was honestly simple, but it came out perfect. Ange, she's gotta love it. If she doesn't, it's not a table anymore.
You can only ask for so much. You know, we give you a table, you say, I need coasters. We give you the coasters to say, can you bring me a drink? I mean, what's next? If you like what you see, please consider commenting, liking, subscribing. Let us know what builds you want to see.
2 weeks from now, we got a crazy woodworking build. It is going to be really, really interesting. I highly suggest watching that video. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing just for that video.
We appreciate all our support and followers on Ty and Gig
Builds.